In this quick video, I am going to show you how to turn off iPhone lock screen on iPhone 11. Let's see that. First, open your settings app. Then scroll down a little bit and open Face ID and passcode. Now enter your iPhone screen passcode. Now scroll down a little bit. Now here you can see this option, turn passcode off. Just click that and tap turn off. Now enter your Apple ID password. Here you can see your Apple ID email. You just need to enter that Apple ID password and tap turn off. Finally, once again enter your Apple ID passcode. That's it. Now your iPhone screen passcode will be completely turned off. Here you can see there is no iPhone screen passcode. This is how you can turn off iPhone screen passcode on iPhone 11. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.